Life undergoes a change after clearing the civil service exam. Let me start with the story. For college, I came immediately to Delhi in 2012 and I got admission in Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, right? When I went there, I entered my class, I tried to observe a few people. And जब मैंने अपने classmates को observe किया तो I saw that almost all of them were speaking in English. You know, they had to start a conversation only with English. Me being from a very small town, and back in 2012, I could not even speak one properly constructed, grammatically correct sentence in English. And this is a true story, you know. I just could not gather that courage to go and speak to any of my classmates and strike a conversation with them. So the solution that I had decided कि ठीक है अब मैं सिर्फ पढ़ाई करूँगा. I will sit on the first bench. I will interact only about studies. I will immediately after college I will go back. All of us know that college is not supposed to be just for studies, right? It is also supposed to be personality development, to develop friendships that last a lifetime, right? So this is also the purpose of college, apart from, of course, your academics, right? So I gathered the courage and I decided, I chose a few people who I wanted to talk to, and I gathered the courage कि चलो मैं पहले से लिख के लेके जाता हूँ कुछ अंग्रेजी में कुछ sentences, because I could read and write, but of course I had difficulties in speaking English, right? Which was apparently the first language of most people in my college. I wrote down a few sentences. I prepared myself completely. I went to the college and फिर मैंने decide किया कि चलो आज मैं इन 2-3 लोगों से बात करूँगा. पहला sentence मैंने बोला how are you, this is my name is this, your name is what, and that, all that. How do you do, what do you do, and all that. And after 5 sentences I realized that again they also started speaking in Hindi only. So it is basically the only problem is the first step that you have to take. If you are able to make that first thing happen, the everything else will fall into place automatically, you know. So similar thing happened for me. So when I realized that it is only the first 2-3 sentences where I have to gather, get over that fear that I had of not being able to speak proper correct English, I was able to do justice to my college and my 3 years there in Delhi, right? So the point I'm trying to make is, once you decide, once you get over that fear कि अगर मेरा एग्जाम नहीं हुआ तो मैं क्या करूँगा, अगर if I'm not able to clear UPSC civil service, so what do I have as a backup in my life? Once you get out of that fear, once you take it in your stride and give your best, you will ultimately be able to achieve success one way or the other, right? UPSC is like a boxing ring, you know. You lose the battle not when you fall down. You lose the battle exactly when you refuse to get back up.